Hi everyone, we are going to start Cambridge International AS and A-Level, paper 9709/1 for the session October-November 2025, and the subject is pure mathematics and the variant is 5. First, I want to share that this is my channel and you can find topic-wise question in my channel. For example, this one is related to the quadratic equation, this one is related to the function, and this one is related to the trigonometric. So I'm updating these playlists regularly so you can find topic wise question here. Thank you very much. Let's move to the question number 1. A circle has center 2 and 6 and the radius 10. State the equation of the circle. As we know that the equation of the circle is equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square, where h and k are center with radius r. It is given that we have that center which is 2 and 6, which is h and k, and radius is also given, which is r, and this one is 10. So we can use this equation to find the equation of the circle. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So h minus h means 2. So this one is h minus 2 whole square plus y minus k means y minus 6 whole square is equal to r square. R is 10, so 10 square. So this one is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to 100. This is the required equation of the circle. Let's move to the part B. The circle passes through the point 8 and K. Find the two possible values of K. As we know that if the circle passes through the point, so the point will satisfy the circle equation. For example, this point 8 and K lie on the circle, so it will satisfy the circle equation. Okay. We just calculated the circle equation from part A, which is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to 100. And in this case, the point given, which is 8 and k, and this one is equals to x and y. So plugging this value, because this point satisfy the quadratic equation. So x minus 2 means 8 minus 2 whole square plus y minus 6 means k minus 6 whole square is equal to 100. So 8 minus 2 means 6. 6 square is 36 plus k minus 6 whole square is k square minus 12k plus 36 equals to 100. And this one is equal to k square minus 12k plus 72 minus 100 equals to the 0, and this one is equal to k square minus 12k minus 28 equal to 0. So we have the quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization. For example, negative 28 times 1 is negative 28, and if we multiply to 14, negative 14 times 2 is also the negative 28, and when we add negative 14 plus 2 we will get negative 12. So this equation can be written as k square minus 14k plus 2k minus 28 equal to 0. Taking k common, we will have k minus 14, and taking plus 2 common, we will have k minus 14 equal to 0. So we will have k plus 2 times k minus 14 equal to 0. So we have two factor equating each with 0. So we will have k plus 2 equal to 0 and k minus 14 equal to 0. And in this case, we will have k is equal to negative 2. And in this case, we will have k equals to positive 14. So we have calculated the two possible values of k, which are negative 2 and 14. Let's move to the question number 2.